I love everyone getting together and celebrating the holidays. The spirit of love and appreciation for each other, for peace on earth and goodwill towards all. To be able to gather together with families and loved ones is just wonderful. But it seems so much work sometimes. You have to make sure that your room is clean and picked up. You should be helping Mom and Dad with all of your chores and then doing some extra things around the house to make it easier for them. You know, Santa keeps a pretty close eye on your behavior. He gets text messages from Mom and Dad about how good you've been. Sometimes he even hears about how you could have been, should have been doing better. But he knows your heart, and he knows if you've been naughty or nice, and he knows how much love you have for everyone. He's a pretty happy guy right now. Some extra long nights have gone into getting ready for Christmas. The elves, well, they've been so busy. Mrs. Claus, she takes pretty good care of them. She bakes extra cookies and makes so much hot chocolate so the elves can keep up their strength. I sure would like to be one of those elves. Let's sing a song for Mom and Dad about being an elf. Time to stand up.